I want to show you how we can use a unique function and how it works better than the pivot table and the remove duplicates in this scenario. So over here I've got a data set of data for January, February, March for 3 different categories: PCs, Macs, monitors, and their sales value. Okay, so what I want to do over here with a unique function is to get the unique list of categories, and then I'll do a sum if to get the sales value. So we use a unique function, which is here, and literally just take this list, we'll go down to here and press enter. That's given me my unique list of categories. And over here, if we just do a sum ifs equals sum ifs, we just go a bit further. The same over here because we're going to add some additional data, and the criteria is just this. Okay, and we will drag that. Okay, so there you go. So that's the unique function. So we've just summarized the data that's in here. Okay, and over here we'll insert a pivot table. Range. We'll just go down to here as well to bring in any extra values. Let's bring in the category and the sales. There you go. Same values, 4,500, 16 and 3,500. That's fine. So we can do the same thing with the remove duplicates. Drop those into here. Data, remove duplicates, continue with the current selection and remove duplicates. My data doesn't have any headers. And then we've got our unique list over here. We can also just use, should be able to just use the same formula. Yep, that's working fine. Drag that down to here. So we've got the same data by using the unique function, the pivot table, and the remove duplicates. So now, if in the future we are selling a new category such as cables, what we'll see is it will automatically populate here within the unique function without doing anything. And the value there as well. However, the pivot table will not update automatically. We would need to literally right click and refresh it, and then we can see the cables dropping into here. This remove duplicates, we would need to run the same process as this. Remove the duplicates, and there you have it. The unique function will automatically update any additions to that category column. Pivot table is still quite good with it as well, but you need to actually refresh it. So, and the remove duplicates would be a manual process that you'd need to copy and paste this data over to here each time. So, hope that helps. I'm sure it will definitely save you some time. I know I've used the unique function many times and it's definitely saved me a lot of time. When I've looked at some other people's processes and they've literally been doing things like this, removing duplicates each time via a manual process, and then I've just come along and changed the process by using the unique, or even a pivot table can work fine if you've got other tables to update as well.